February 6, 2025, Illinois State Police found themselves in a firefight with two teenage robbery suspects at a gas station. Officers had tracked the vehicle tied to a Texas armed robbery an hour earlier. When the car stopped at the station, officers moved in to make an arrest. But one suspect, 18-year-old Ryan Aaron Stanley Hurst, pointed a gun at them, forcing officers to open fire.
See your hands. Lay down, on the ground now. Keep your hands where they're at. Come secure this guy. Hey, get this guy right here. Hands up! Hands up now! Pontiac, shots fired.
Multiple shots fired.
No shots fired.
Cap shots fired. You got here.
Hey, get your hands out of the car! One's in custody right now. The other one's in the car. You get your hands up, out of the car. Get your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. We're gonna get you help. You gotta get your hands up. Get out of the car and we'll get you help. We can't do that until you get out. We see that you don't have your gun anymore. Pontiac 5-7, get rescue staged. Suspect's still in the back seat of the vehicle. We can't see the gun. He is speaking with us, saying his arm's broke.
Mark, is this where his hands up in the air?
No.
Hey.
It's on his lap?
In the air!
We need to see your hands, man.
Let's get a perimeter stuff around it.
Do not move! Do not move or you will get shot! Is he bleeding?
Kick it.
Get up!
Inside the car was 19-year-old Joseph Martin Hernandez. Hurst was hit and rushed to the hospital in stable condition, while Hernandez was taken into custody. These teens learned their lesson the hard way.
Where's he bleeding from?
Yeah.